Hello Excel enthusiasts, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of converting a JSON file to Excel effortlessly. At times we need to transform data into different formats, and today we'll show you how to convert a JSON file to the user-friendly XLSX format. Let's get started. Ready to tackle data conversions like a pro? Open your spreadsheet and navigate to the Data tab. From the Get Data drop-down menu, choose the From File option. In the ensuing menu, select From JSON, your gateway to transforming JSON data. Now find the JSON file on your local disk and click Import. Marvel at how quickly Excel handles the data import. To convert the data into a table, simply click the Into Table option. Let's fine-tune your data. To expand the columns and display them in rows, tap the double arrow. Then choose Expand to New Rows, a nifty trick to neatly organize your data. Customize the view by enabling the fields you want to show. To polish the data presentation, disable the Use Original Column Names as Prefix option. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, click OK. The moment of truth. Convert your JSON data into an Excel file by clicking the Close and Load button. Now select Close and Load to finalize the import process. Behold your data, now beautifully organized and presented in a new worksheet in Excel. Preserve your hard work by going to the File tab and selecting Save As. Save the file with the desired name and location. Your data is now safely stored in Excel format. There you have it, a seamless journey from JSON to Excel format. Converting data has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press that bell button to be the first to access our latest Excel tips and tricks. Have other Excel challenges you'd like us to tackle? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and happy data conversion.